Hey there, traders! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Binance Futures Trading. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into futures trading or an experienced trader looking to expand your trading strategy, Binance Futures has got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of Binance Futures Trading, step by step. So, let's dive in. What are Binance Futures? Before we jump into trading, let's briefly understand what Binance Futures is. Binance Futures is a derivatives trading platform offered by Binance, one of the world's largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. It allows traders to speculate on the price movements of various cryptocurrencies without actually owning them. Getting started with Binance Futures. To start trading on Binance Futures, you need to create an account on Binance. If you already have a Binance account, you can use the same login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Futures tab on the Binance website to access the Futures trading platform. Understanding futures contracts. Now that we're on the Futures trading platform, let's understand the concept of futures contracts. A futures contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell a specific asset, in this case, a cryptocurrency, at a predetermined price and date in the future. On Binance Futures, you can choose from a wide range of futures contracts, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular cryptocurrencies. Long and short positions. In futures trading, you have the option to take either a long or a short position. Taking a long position means you expect the price of the cryptocurrency to rise, while taking a short position means you expect the price to fall. Binance Futures allows you to profit from both bullish and bearish market conditions. Leverage and margin trading. One of the key features of Binance Futures is leverage trading. Leverage allows you to amplify your trading position by borrowing funds from the exchange. However, it's essential to understand that leverage can significantly increase both your potential profits and losses. Binance Futures offers various leverage options, allowing you to choose the level of risk that suits your trading strategy. Placing orders and managing positions. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore how to place orders and manage your positions on Binance Futures. Binance offers multiple order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. You can set take profit and stop loss levels to manage your risk effectively. Additionally, Binance Futures provides advanced trading tools and features to help you stay on top of your trades. Risk management and best practices. Successful trading is not just about making profits, it's also about managing risks. Always remember to set a proper risk-reward ratio. Diversify your trades, and avoid emotional decision-making. Binance Futures provides risk management tools like the liquidation price, which helps you manage your positions and protect your capital. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Binance Futures Trading. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of the platform and how to get started. Remember, trading futures involves risks, so make sure to do your own research and start with caution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative content. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.